Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Beads set is probably one of the most versatile and creative tools available for crafters of all ages, offering endless possibilities for jewelry making, DIY projects, and artistic expression. Whether you're a seasoned artisan looking to expand your collection or a beginner eager to dive into the world of crafting, a high-quality bead set can provide the essential components and inspiration needed to bring your unique visions to life. From vibrant glass beads to elegant pearls and unique charms, the right set can transform simple ideas into stunning, personalized creations that are perfect for gifts or personal adornment. Number 5. Amazon Basics Cotton Jersey Bed Sheet Set, Queen, Black. Discover the luxurious softness of our 100% cotton jersey knit bed sheet set. It's designed for your ultimate comfort, providing a cozy feel all night long. This set includes a fitted sheet, flat sheet, and pillowcase, all perfectly sized for your standard queen mattress. Enjoy a seamless fit that enhances your sleeping experience. The jersey knit fabric offers a slight stretch, ensuring a secure fit for mattresses up to 14 inches deep. Changing your sheets has never been so fast and easy. Maintaining these sheets is a breeze. They are machine washable and dryer safe, ensuring they stay soft and durable wash after wash. Crafted from lightweight and breathable cotton, these sheets promote a comfortable sleep environment. Stay cool and comfortable throughout the night. What we like. If you prioritize ultimate comfort and a relaxed feel, this set is for you. Its soft, breathable cotton jersey and slight stretch ensure a snug yet comfortable fit that's easy to put on and take off. It's perfect for those who love a cozy, lived-in feel from the moment they slip into bed. What people say. A true jersey cotton set. Very comfortable and fit the bed very nicely. No write-up showing the mattress, and I have a 12-inch mattress for reference. Easy to wash and keep their feel and texture. They are light but warm at the same time, you can tell it's pure cotton. Super soft, comfortable, and fits well around the mattress. No issues with it falling off the corners. It is lightweight and the color looks accurate to the image posted. Great quality sheets for being Amazon Basics, very good value. They are wrinkle resistant, easy to wash, and feel soft. Stretchy and breathable. The fit is perfect on my mattress. Number 4. Gionlion 6000 Clay Beads Bracelet Making Kit. This kit is a must-have for any jewelry making lover. It includes thousands of flat polymer clay beads in 24 vibrant colors, a variety of charms, elastic strings, and scissors to meet all your creative needs. With 24 bright colors, you can create colorful DIY projects. Mix and match beads and pendants to make unique bracelets, necklaces, or earrings. Your imagination is the only limit. These beads are made from high-quality polymer clay, offering excellent durability and plasticity. They are lightweight, fade-resistant, and comfortable to wear, even at the beach or pool. Perfect for creating jewelry like bracelets, necklaces, earrings, anklets, and keychains. It's an ideal gift for daughters, granddaughters, or friends, suitable for various occasions. Surprise your girls with this trendy kit that enhances their crafting skills and encourages self-expression. It's a fun way to enjoy shared activities and create meaningful gifts. We ensure strict quality control for all our beads, guaranteeing you receive defect-free products. Enjoy crafting with confidence, whether you're a beginner or an experienced enthusiast. What we like. For the budding jewelry designer aged 6 to 12, this kit is a dream come true. It offers a fantastic array of colors and charms to spark imagination and create unique friendship bracelets. If you're looking for a fun, engaging activity that fosters creativity and self-expression, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The beads are well made and don't break. The Gionlion 6000 Clay Beads Bracelet Making Kit has completely exceeded my expectations and has proven to be an exceptional creative outlet for my daughter. With 24 different colors of flat preppy beads, the possibilities for creating unique and personalized friendship bracelets seemed endless. The beads themselves are crafted from high-quality polymer clay, offering a smooth and consistent texture that makes them incredibly easy to handle, especially for younger hands. The kit also provides durable elastic strings that are simple to knot, ensuring that the bracelets can withstand daily wear and tear without falling apart. Number 3. Meland Fuse Beads Kit. Discover a world of color and imagination with our extensive Fuse Beads Kit. It's packed with everything you need to bring your creative visions to life. With 36 vibrant colors and 11,000 beads, the possibilities are truly endless. Create unique 3D artwork, decorations, and adorable accessories. This kit is more than just fun, it helps develop fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. It's a fantastic way to foster spatial awareness in a playful manner. Encourage concentration and creativity away from screens. It's perfect for group activities, family nights, and sharing ideas with friends. Craft with confidence using our premium, kid-safe plastic beads. They are designed to melt beautifully without harsh chemical smells, ensuring lasting color. Looking for an amazing gift? This beautifully packaged kit is ideal for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion for aspiring young artists aged 5 and up. What we like? This is the ultimate kit for young artists aged 5 to 12 who love hands-on crafting. With a massive quantity of beads in many colors and various pegboards, it encourages the creation of intricate designs and even 3D art. If you want to keep kids entertained for hours and develop their fine motor skills, this set is ideal. What people say. It comes with all the tools you could need, plus some little templates in case you need ideas. It's super simple to use and set up, and comes with an insane amount of beads. They come in so many colors, and there are a ton of beads in the set, so you don't run out in the middle of a project. The colors are bright, and they're perfect for making detailed designs. The Meland Fuse Beads Kit offers an impressive amount of beads for the price, with a wide variety of bright, vibrant colors that are perfect for kids who enjoy arts and crafts. With 11,000 beads included, this set keeps children engaged for a long time and works well for improving fine motor skills, color recognition, and creativity. Number 2. Sistenia 120 Colors Clay Beads Bracelet Making Kit. Discover the Sistenia 120 Colors Clay Beads Bracelet Making Kit, your all-in-one solution for stunning jewelry creations. Everything you need is thoughtfully organized and ready for your artistic touch. Dive into a world of 120 vibrant, polymer clay colors, carefully selected to inspire your imagination. These beads are lightweight, waterproof, and designed for comfortable, long-lasting wear. No more clutter. Our kit features 6 dedicated boxes, keeping each of the 120 colors and numerous accessories neatly arranged. Finding the perfect bead or charm is now effortless. This versatile kit is perfect for quality family time, sparking creativity in children, and offering a fun alternative to screen time. It's an ideal way to bond and inspire young minds. Presented in an exquisite gift box, this kit is a trendy and thoughtful gift choice. It's perfect for girls aged 6 to 14, teens, and adults who love crafting, making it an ideal present for any occasion. What we like? If you're looking for an incredibly comprehensive and well-organized bead set for jewelry making, this is it. The sheer variety of 120 colors and abundant accessories, all neatly sorted into boxes, makes it perfect for both kids and adults. It's ideal for anyone who enjoys detailed crafting and wants a vast palette to work with. What people say. The kit comes with 5 sturdy pre-sorted boxes of bead and accessories. Bracelets made with the clay beads are comfortable against the skin. The kit has a lot of fun colors and charms. Number 1. 96 Colors Pony Beads Bracelet Making Kit. Discover a world of color with our comprehensive bracelet making kit. It's packed with everything you need to create stunning jewelry. Explore an incredible spectrum of 96 vibrant colors and 7 unique finishes. From solid to glitter, your designs will truly shine. This kit provides over 3,300 pieces, including a generous amount of rainbow beads, alphabet beads, heart beads, star beads, and elastic threads. Craft with confidence using our high-quality acrylic beads. They are smooth, uniformly shaped, and built to last for all your jewelry projects. Make bracelets, necklaces, keychains, and so much more. Personalize your creations with letter and heart beads for a unique touch. Perfect for both kids and adults, this kit offers hours of engaging and creative fun. Let your imagination run wild. What we like? This kit is perfect for those who love a vibrant and diverse range of bead styles for their creations. With 96 colors and various finishes like pearl, glitter, and metallic, it offers endless possibilities for friendship bracelets, keychains, and more. If you enjoy experimenting with different textures and colors for a truly unique look, this set is a fantastic option. What people say. These beads come in an incredible array of colors, providing endless possibilities for designs. The quality of these beads is fantastic. They're smooth, uniform in size, and have consistently sized holes, making them easy to thread onto elastic or string. The 96 different colors are vibrant and fun, and the letter and heart beads add a personal touch to any design. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.